In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter credit card charges in QuickBooks in just 5 minutes. It's a straightforward process, and once you get the hang of it, you'll find it remarkably efficient. So let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by signing into your QuickBooks account. Head over to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. Once that's done, make sure you select QuickBooks Online from the options provided. This will direct you to the appropriate platform where you can manage your financial activities with ease. Next up, you'll need to enter your login credentials. Carefully type in your username and password, ensuring there are no typos, and then hit Continue. This step securely verifies your access and brings you to the main dashboard of your QuickBooks account. Once you're logged in, focus your attention on the top navigation bar and locate the New button. Clicking this will present a drop-down menu with various options for creating new transactions. In the drop-down, select Bank Deposit. This option will allow us to accurately enter and track credit card charges. After selecting Bank Deposit, you'll be directed to a new screen. Here, it's important to add the account where this transaction will be recorded. Take your time to ensure you select the correct account from the list. This step is crucial for maintaining precise financial records. The next step is to input the date of the transaction. Be sure to select the exact date the credit card charge was made, as this will assist in accurate reporting and keep your records in order. Following this, you'll want to identify the payments included in this deposit. Carefully select each payment that corresponds to the credit card charge. This clarity will help in matching and reconciling transactions later on. Now it's time to add funds to this deposit. You'll need to input the amount associated with each credit card charge correctly. Double check the figures to avoid any discrepancies. Moving right along, choose the account for any bank or merchant fees associated with the transaction. If you don't have an existing account for this, you can create a new one. Having a dedicated account for these fees helps in tracking and managing expenses down the line. Add the merchant fee amount next. It's important to note that this figure should be entered as a negative amount. Doing so accurately reflects the outflow of funds from your account due to these fees. Finally, the last step in this process is saving your work. Click on Save and New to finalize the transaction entry. This action ensures your data is securely recorded and sets you up for entering additional transactions if needed. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll efficiently enter credit card charges into QuickBooks, maintaining precise financial records that aid in smooth business operations. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and thank you for watching. Be sure to check out other QuickBooks tutorials for more insights and tips.